All right. Hello, everyone. Morgan from morganlinton.com. I am back from Startup Lessons Learned. Literally just walked in the door about 5 minutes ago. And I've got so much energy and excitement around this conference. It can't all translate as just text on my blog. So I really had to shoot a quick video. I've got a lot of things going on in my head, a lot of reflections. For anyone that followed my blog yesterday, you noticed I did like a gazillion posts. The reason I did that is I really wanted to have each one of those seminars as a separate post. There was so much information packed in each one of those, and I feel it's really important to be able to go through and kind of take those lessons from each of those, and I tried to make it as digestible and accessible as possible. And so you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see a link to all the different seminars that I saw. I've got my Startup Lessons Learned shirt on as we speak. And so let me tell you kind of some of my initial thoughts. So first off, you'll hear my cat in the background is crying. He really missed us, and he's happy that we're back. And for those who know Samsy, you know he's one of the sweetest cats on the planet. All right, enough about him, now about the conference. So what did I learn? Well, first off, I learned that, boy, you can really pack a lot into one day. They packed a total of 14 seminars into one day, and it's a lot, but boy, was it incredible. Everyone had a ton of energy, a ton of enthusiasm, and a lot of great information to share. The whole concept behind the conference was lean startups, and there's a lot encompassed within lean startups. And I'm not going to claim to be an expert at all. I've only been to one conference for one day. But I am learning, and I am really excited about sharing what I've learned with all of you. And it's really too much to pack into a single video or post, but basically, what I picked up from the conference, what I thought was so powerful, is that we're at a really special time in the history of the world, which is that anybody that has a great idea and something that they want to do, it really has been more possible now than ever in the history of our world to execute on that idea and create something great. And as those of you know who read my blog, who've watched my videos, you know that I'm someone that's got a lot of ideas, and I really have some great things that I plan on doing. And I've already done some of them, and there's a lot more that I'm really working on right now. One of the main reasons that we went to this conference was to talk about Zealot, which you guys have heard about. It's currently in beta. We have about 40 beta testers now that are testing it as we speak, and that has been really fun. And it's been unbelievably fun to work on a software project, and has really made me realize how much I enjoy building software products and building a company around that. And that is just in its infancy. So far, the feedback has been phenomenal. We're actually moving servers to scale up and adding new features pretty much every day, and trying to do releases out to the beta team once every 2 weeks. We'll have a new release coming out this Saturday to the team. So if you're on that team, get ready for that release. Okay, back to the conference. The energy enthusiasm is just taken over here. But, you know, really it is what I said, whatever it was, 20 seconds ago, which is that the opportunity has never been greater, and the tools are there. And there are entrepreneurs doing all kinds of things, taking their ideas and really growing them through the ease of development now that exists in the software environment, the ease of marketing through social media, and the ability to learn from other entrepreneurs. And that's through conferences like this, through conferences like Disrupt that's going on, the TechCrunch conference in New York City right now, all of the different online outlets, whether it's forums, whether it's being able to connect with meetup groups where you can meet people in your local area. But there is an incredible amount of opportunity. So for those of you who are watching this that are entrepreneurs and into startups, go man go. This is the time. For those that are domainers, hey, pick one of your domains and turn it into that great idea. And if it's software and you're afraid of software, you go, oh, I don't know how to write code, find someone who can do it for you. There are a million different outlets to find great developers. There were a million great developers at this conference that just wanted to be a part of something, that had either started something or were a part of something incredible. And that energy, that enthusiasm, it's infectious. And you guys know I have it, but it's so cool to be around other people that have these ideas and have taken them to fruition. We're doing it with Zealot, and it is unbelievably exciting. First software project we've ever worked on. It's debuting this summer, and it only gets more exciting from there. So that's all I've got. I'm home. I am posting this video. I'm posting the links that you can scroll down and see to all of my posts from yesterday, and I'll have more reflections throughout the week. But I honestly can say Startup Lessons Learned is the best conference I've ever attended. Unbelievable. Huge special thanks to Eric Ries, who puts on the conference. He's got a new book out. I'm going to be reading that and reviewing that for my blog, all about the lean startup movement. Unbelievably cool. All right, that's it. That's all I got, folks. Hope you enjoyed the coverage of the conference, and there's a lot more to come. You know how it goes. Great. Hope you're enjoying your week so far. I'll see you again soon.